It smells bad. You smell I have a boyfriend. His name is John. He's right here. Say hello, John. John, say hello. Say hello. Say hello. I'm jumping you. I'm gonna call you. I'm single. I want a boyfriend. But he won't talk to me. Look at him. He won't talk to me. Look. John. I mean, Johnny Jr. How can you talk? This is retarded. He hits me. And he violated me. What are you doing? Why is it raining? I'm melting. I'm melting. No, I'm melting. Can I give her glasses? It's my mom. Look, it's my mom. Oh, hello, mom. Look, it's my mood ring. See. It's purple. Purple means romantic. Ooh, yes, romantic.
I have a boyfriend now.
Romantic.
I like purple and I like cheese.
And I like potatoes. Potatoes and cereal.
I like cereal.
Cereal.
I want chocolate milk.
I want chocolate milk too.
Milk. Repeat after me. Milk.
Chocolate milk. Milk from a cow. Milk. Retarded people rock. Her lion hair's in my mouth. What's your problem, huh?
Fight. Well, I got my NAS. I'm a Toto.
See, because I'm weren't you melting? Ah! Don't touch me, I melt more. Okay, well, I'm tired and bored. Bye.